Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a rain effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Once you have your image open, the first thing you want to do is create a new layer. Head over to the Layers panel and click on the New Layer button. You can name this layer Rain to keep things organized. Next, we need to fill this new layer with black. Go to Edit, choose Fill, and under Contents, select Black. Make sure the mode is set to Normal and the opacity to 100%. Once that's set, click OK. Now, let's add some noise to simulate raindrops. Go to Filter, hover over Noise, and click Add Noise. For bigger images, set it to 400%, and if your image is smaller, you will need to lower that a bit. Choose Gaussian for the distribution, and check the monochromatic option to keep it in black and white. Then, hit OK. To make the raindrops more visible, we'll need to scale up the noise. Go to Edit, then Transform, and choose Scale. Adjust the width and height values accordingly. Make sure the link icon is clicked to keep the proportions even, and apply the changes by clicking the check mark. With that done, switch the layer's blend mode to Screen, so the black background disappears, leaving only the raindrops visible. Before we define the raindrops, let's convert this layer to a smart object. This will allow us to make changes later if needed. Right-click the rain layer, then select Convert to Smart Object. Now, let's adjust the brightness of the raindrops. Go to Image, hover over Adjustments, and click on Levels. Move the black slider to the right to reduce the brightness of the rain and make it blend more naturally with your image. Click OK. To add motion, go back to Filter. Select Blur and choose Motion Blur. For the angle, you can adjust it depending on how you want the rain to fall. Increase the distance to create those long streaks of rain. And there you go. That's how you can create a realistic rain effect in Photoshop. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.